Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. It's lunchtime. I'm going to make a BLT for lunch. So I'm going to take my scissors, I'm going to cut up my bacon. My bacon will be all cut up. I have my bread, my tomatoes. I'm just going to make a couple of sandwiches. So I like to use mayonnaise. I'll just squirt a little mayonnaise on each piece of bread. Tomatoes. In order to cut up the tomatoes, you have to have the secret how to cut up tomatoes. You just take a few of these, put them on the top of a deli lid that came with your macaroni salad or potato salad. Put them on like that. Grab your knife and just cut across them. Depending on the condition of the tomatoes, sometimes it works better than others. If they're a little refrigerated, if they're a little bit cold, works a little better than when they're warm. And I do keep my tomatoes out at room temperature. So I have them all sliced. Put some on the bread, just like that. Okay. A few extra. I may have to just eat those. Some lettuce. I just use these little containers and I tear up my lettuce on the day when I get my groceries. Try to tear it up in small pieces for things like doing a BLT. And that's how easy it is to make it when you're prepared, because the bacon was already cooked and it was in the freezer. All I had to do was take it out, throw it in the microwave for a few seconds to warm up. And the lettuce was already torn apart, so that was all set and ready to go. It's pretty fast. There's your tip for the day. Cut your tomatoes with 2 deli lids. Hey, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget, hit the bell so when we drop in a new video, you get notified. Come back or watch the next video.